Well, they say when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, but I prefer when life gives you shit, there's always a fan for it to land on. Washing machine killed itself. Broke you up a spring here. The mounting point for where the little concrete block sits. I don't know if I can get it on camera here. Right here. That's completely utterly snapped off. The drum seal tore a nice big hole, big enough to leak, and I only replaced this last year. Yeah, I'm just not too pleased with this. But I suppose when life gives you lemons, I'm going to turn this into lemonade because I'm looking at getting another washing machine which is internally identical, but on the outside it looks different because it's Hotpoint branded, whereas this is a Creda, which isn't on here. Whatever. Anyway, I'm going to start stripping it back now. Getting there. Got a few bits and pieces. I've got the front panel off, got the top weight off there. Got the really useful parts here: programmer, timer, pressure switch, door lock, screws, bolts, nuts, drive belt, whatever. Just need to take off the motor and get in there and take off the drain pump now, and then think about what to do with old Tubby here, because the back part, which is the main part, that's ruined. I can't use that, but this front part is still intact, and considering that these brand new, they sell for about, I think, 110 quid, which is an absolute fucking rip-off. I think I'll just hang on to that. I mean, this really does piss me off a lot, because last year I actually did a major repair of this. I replaced the drum spide, which is the 3-arm supports in the back there, and I also replaced the bearings in the back of the tub. And he goes and does this on me. It's odds bloody law, isn't it? Anyway, time to work on that and get the motor out. Bugger. Seems the motor is scrap, because that mounting point is completely and utterly sheared off. Probably when the washer was bouncing about like a freaking lunatic. Oh, it's a good job I've got another out in the shed, but I replaced that one with this one because the other one had dodgy bearings. Yet again, shit hits the fan. Yep, that's a right old shit stain right there. Which is annoying because this motor is still working, because when the whole thing was doing its fucking crazy dance, the motor was still running, doing the timed spin. So unfortunately I think this is going to have to suffer the consequences eventually. Yeah, just got it laying back now because it's pretty much empty. The only electrical components left are the heater and the drain pump there, but I've actually noticed something, that around the tub seal it's actually wet. So I think ever since I repaired it, it's actually been leaking from somewhere around the edge here, which is also very annoying because that was a brand new bloody tub seal. But then again, these are all clipped together with all these funny looking clips, but there you go. It is a design from like the mid 1980s, which was carried through to like the end of the 90s, possibly early 2000s. But anyway, onwards. Now the tub's out, you can see the damage. This is the mounting point for the lower concrete block, and as you can see, it's just completely sheared off. So, and the other side is also ready to break off, but you can see how much it's been sanding away, because after all concrete is abrasive, but it's supposed to look like this. Solid lump of plastic. But for some reason this side has just given up. See how this other washer potentially getting is going to be like. Well, tub's out. All the bits are disconnected. Chassis is empty, and bits I've recovered are the front of the tub, because, 110 quid. Miscellaneous wiring, programmer timer, pressure switch, door catch, mains filter, water pump, solenoid valves, motor, depending on whether I can fix the broken mount by using my old spare motor. I don't know, could be a spare, but just need to find my big spanner and get that, get the drum out of that tub, and then it's scrap the tub, scrap that, scrap the panels. Yeah. Well, for now this is it, so ending the video here.